up, everyone? We're going to see Dan because he took the engine out of his SKyline, so we're gonna go check on that. I haven't really updated too much on that since, so it's gonna be cool. The SR is probably almost ready to go in, so next time you see us, we'll be at Dan's. DoinkDan.llc. Let Dan build your SR.org. Let Dan order the wrong hardware.com.
This is the right hardware.
Yeah, it is now, fucker. That's weird. Damn, dude. Flexing.
Big doinks.
Follow Dan at bigdoinks.com.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it ain't gonna fit. Oh, no. Oh, no. Take the manifold off first. Oh, dude, look at all that carbon. Oh, these ain't even gonna work. Yo, your motor's junk. It's really walnut blast, these things. Look at that. Oh. This is a cylinder, too. Oh. How about 3? Oh. It's like, oh, look at that again. One more. Oh. And 4. Oh.
Got like 3 best.
Why do I have to tell you?
That's my opinion.
Dude, I think you need a new table, first of all. Shit's been
I
like
got
that.
free in a dumpster, dude.
Oh my god.
Better than the table I had before.
Never mind. All right, what are we doing?
Tell me which gasket looks healthier.
Put them in my hand.
There's another one too.
I'm gonna go with that one.
This one?
Yeah. You straighten it out a little bit, but yeah.
Alright, I'll go get the other one.
You have more?
I have one more.
You're an ass. I'm gonna buy me one of these soon. Fucking tome. Alright, shuffle them up. I'm gonna tell you which one I think. Alright, we're gonna touch all 3. That one's definitely the thickest. That's a thick bitch. Alright. That one's light, and that one's super light. Get rid of that. That's garbage.
That's the best.
I'm gonna go with this one, dude. She's thick. 5Q. No, it's multiply. Yeah, use this one.
Don't be thick. Told you.
Yeah, it's FES spec. Dude, I'm gonna get. I'm actually. I was looking around, and I'm actually thinking of just getting your same setup because if it works well for you, I might as well. 2871 boys. Because I mean, might as well. If you're gonna be making 360 off this, then I might as well do the same thing because I just need this guy and a. So this is exactly what was in the SKyline. For all you people who think he's dumb, again, single cam. Single cam. Remember that. That is exactly why this came out, and that's going in. So how much you say that this? That Martin said that this would make like 360?
You said 340.
340, whatever. That's still quite a lot for an SR. I mean, either way though, like you're gonna be running right up against this thing, so it's like it's either run it like that because you don't want this thing to be too bent, or run that loop out and over. I mean, depending on.
I'd rather not.
Either way, but look at you're gonna be touching here no matter what. So 8. Alright, now put it on.
Now it's just gonna go.
You're ugly, dude.
Hi. Dude, I want everybody get like shit.
Dude, we're
I have
like
a pod out of you.
we're so close. This thing is almost done.
What?
Look at all these lines, bro.
Thing of salt neck and you refill it.
No, I.
Nope.
What do you mean no? Oh, you broke it, dude. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know.
Nothing. Yeah, it is. Fuck. See you later,
Cut Malcolm. He took like stickers and he just put them on, paint, like did the blue, and then peeled the stickers off.
Dude, that's like some next level stuff, dude. How'd you even come up with that? Damn.
The internet. Lowriders on the internet.
Hey man, I didn't fucking know this shit, man.
Internet, yeah. I only saw it on YouTube.
Brian, I don't know how I'm supposed to think.
Alright, well, these ones you can get to. So get to these. Get a wrench. You need a wrench. I did with a wrench too. I actually did most of these with a wrench and then some sockets. But they're not that bad.
I think I
Get 2 wrenches though, because you need to double wrench it. So update on this
I looked at
pig.
him and Tom and I said, here's what's gonna happen.
All tied down.
Patriots win Zach Street.
Get all these guys in. This guy.
And they go,
This
yeah.
guy. This
Fair
guy.
enough. Patriots won, so I said, alright, Zach goes.
This guy. Big guy. Another. So we're basically like almost done with this thing. It's not too much left. Doing the study boys in the back. Yeah. So we can get in there. Like. This thing has come such a long way. Everything's so pretty. Makes my SR look stupid and ugly.
Yeah, fuck you, Brian.
Yeah, alright. The thing you're missing is the fins in the head. Red top ass having. So here you guys have it. The ugliness is out. It's all clean. Ready for its new heart transplant. This thing's gonna be sick. If it actually runs. Right, Dan? Alright, cool. For what?
I took the lines off of this, the few lines off the hard lines, and now I forget which way feed, which is return.
Oh. Yeah. That's gonna be important.
Just go on the internet. The internet's pretty good.
The internet lies, dude. It's
they
all
don't.
fake. You got demonized right now. Look at me. You freak. Well, if y'all want to know what a R32 engine bay looks like, something like that. Something very close to this.
It's basically
R3013. Whatever, dude. Alright, I'm going home. I was touching your steering wheel because it feels too small for my big hands.
You big chungus.
Yeah! You big chunkus. So, we are so close to starting the 240. Just getting to SKyline. But, anywho, it's gonna be lit. And now we're gonna try to make something cool with the Blue Moon things. Put them in here, so. And that fits that motor so well. That is so sick. Woo! Yo, that's F-yeah spec.
That's fucking sick spec.
That's sick spec, dude. That's Jap Dan spec.
I changed it. It's just Dan Space Yank it now.
Alright, I'm leaving. I am so jealous of how nice this engine came out. It just, oh man. If I've seen a pretty SR, that's in the high in my books right there. So, yeah, this build's coming along awesome. He wants me to drink all the Blue Moon so he can have more things for his freeze plugs. Kid's cool. So, there's one right there.
Hey!
It didn't do it.
I just cleaned the engine for you.
Trying to make a big old fuss in there. Oh, dude, I don't think I've ever seen you drink a beer before. What's up?
No, I'm 21 now. I'm an alcoholic.
Hey. Dan likes Coronas. Waiting for the drop. Here it comes. Yeah, stab me in the fucking face. This is what car guys do. We drink Coronas. You know they smell really bad. We eat Cheetos, bro. We get new gaskets.
We eat Cheetos?
We eat Cheetos. No, just regular Cheetos. It needs to be nice out. I'm sick of this junk. It's stupid.